So guys, Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE, is absolutely taking off, and just 2 days ago I told you guys about this stock in my video Massive Short Squeeze Stock Alert. Watch now, have a quick listen.
8.6, and I believe it could go up to 27 and even above to $35 a share. What is this stock? All right, enough of leaving you hanging. Let me reveal the stock right now. Guys, the stock is none other than Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE.
Yep, I told you guys 2 days ago that this is going to short squeeze potentially 4x, and we are having a liftoff right now. And guys, congratulations to those that got in. And I'm not going to try to sell you any courses. I don't have any courses, but if you do want to support the channel, you could use my moomoo referral link. And then if you click on that, you can get 8.1% APY and then 15 free stocks. You know, there's free stocks that for you to claim, and also I get a little bit of kickback. So definitely go check that out if you can. But none other, we got to take a quick look at SPCE. What the hell's going on? Of course, when I told you guys about it, it was at 6.86, but now it has really rallied to 7.37, and I believe it's still early. Okay, it's still early in the short squeeze. It's not too late for the boat. If you want to get in, I guess I'm not financial advice, you could still get in. And remember, they did a 1 for 20 reverse split. All right, they did a 1 for 20 reverse split, and right now the stock is only at like 0.34. All right, if you factor in the reverse split. So this was the old price. It would be at 0.34. So still extremely undervalued. Market cap 151 million. Still extremely undervalued. And apparently I was wrong, guys. The short interest is at 31%. Absolutely nuts. 31%, guys. How crazy is that? 18 million float, about like 6 million shares short. That's absolutely nuts. So one of the big reasons I said this stock was going to explode was because of this bullish falling wedge pattern. If you don't know what that is, go Google it up. I covered it in my previous video. And this company, by the way, has a negative enterprise value of negative 200 million. And to put that in layman's terms, if you have a positive enterprise value, that's just how much it costs for you to buy the company, buy all the shares in the company, and pay off debt, and subtract the cash that the company has. What a negative enterprise value means, negative 200 million enterprise means, it means you get the company for free and you get a free 200 million in cash. So that's just how undervalued this company is. It has like almost 800 million in cash, 400 million in debt, but net, it's like net assets is 300 to 400 million. The market cap is only 151 million. So extremely undervalued. And I do firmly believe that we could go up to $26 or even $35 a share if we get that short squeeze. And it's happening right now. And remember, it's not like a one and done, all right? With this pop, there's going to be people, there's going to be bears that are shorting the stock right now. Okay, and even if it pops further, there's going to be bears shorting the stock. All right, it's just, of course, there's going to be bears shorting the stock. But when we have a short squeeze, these bears, they end up being food for future squeezes. So the guys that shorted here, all right, they think they got a really good deal, and they think the stock price is going to go down. But then if it pops up further up, you know, they got to cover. That creates more buying pressure. But at the same time, you know, there's dumb bears selling short over here, right? And then when the stock price goes up, they got to cover. So it's just a parabolic, self-fulfilling prophecy, all right? It just keeps on going up. So that's what a short squeeze is. Now, of course, going up, we have a gap over here, 13, right? And this is probably going to get filled. All right, so we're going to probably at least double, and my expectations is we're going to go up to 17 and then 26, and if we're pushing it, really pushing it, we could go up to 36. And even if it goes up to 36, All right, even if it goes up to 36, it's still like under $2 before the reverse split, and it wouldn't be too crazy in my personal opinion. All right, and a lot of people don't believe in the fundamentals of the company anymore, and I can understand why. All right, this company, it costs $250K for a seat on one of their aircraft, or I should say rockets, to space. Very expensive. It could be kind of unaffordable for most people, but you got to understand that this isn't what they're limited to. All right, space tourism is, of course, one of the next frontiers going forward. Okay, so even though, it might not seem like they can sell a lot of seats, but going forward, there might be space hotels in the future, right? But this is, of course, down the line. But you get the point. This is the next frontier. This is something for the future. So even though the fundamentals seem shaky, it's still very, very strong. All right, it's still very, very strong. There's great potential. All right, I should say potential in the fundamentals. But more importantly, it's just that this stock has been shorted way too much. All right, it's just been shorted way too much. I mean, like, looking back, I even have old lines from like way back, which was like before the reverse split. But looking back, like the stock price up to 1,000, if you don't factor in the reverse split, 1,000 per share. Like, this is absolutely nuts. When the stock used to be at like $60 per share before the reverse split. All right, and then we've just been going down, like, just been going down like crazy. Okay, and I understand for shorts it's just an easy target. These guys think it's easy money, and it has been easy money for the past 3 years, but now it's a reckoning. It's different. It's time for those guys to cover. They gotta cover, man. Right? And even if they don't want to cover, as long as the stock price moves up, we get momentum buyers to step in here as well. This is going to cause the stock to squeeze even more, even higher. Okay, and it's just going to go up. All right, we could have like a little pause or a little small pullback here and there, and that's just absolutely normal. All right, that's absolutely normal. Like I said, there will always be shorts that are dumb enough to short the stock during a short squeeze. Yeah, but of course, as always, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. I told you guys about it when it was like around here, 6.86, now 7.3, 7.4-ish, and we'll have to see. Like, yeah, it's not too late to get in, and of course, not financial advice, but this stock is due for a short squeeze. It's due for massive short squeeze. It's been long time in the making. All right, the shorts have gotten too greedy, and they gotta pay the price. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. See you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.